Hi, friend. Welcome back to another episode Trading with Shaka. Every day you hear someone or you read an article saying trading with banks, and you keep wondering, how do I identify those areas, institution like banks into the market for you to catch the big move, make huge profit as well? Making huge profit for the market is amazing. Today's video is another game changing opportunity in your trading career. If you want to know where those big institutions enter the market, stay tuned. I will detail the key principle you need to know for you to become smart like them. You haven't subscribed, you need to do so because for you not to miss another good content like this. So let's begin. We start by sharing the main key principle of smart money trading system. So those principles are: number one, we have to trade today is called breakout structure. Second one is change of character. Thirdly is liquidity. Fourth is imbalance. Go to the fifth one, which is inefficiency. Last but not the least is order block. Now that you have seen those key principles and know it, you have to know the definition on and how to state it in the market. The first principle we start with is breakup structure, and we have a very simple explanation for the breakup structure. So breakup structure goes this way. It was in two types. This happens when market breaks low or highs and creates continuation pattern for traders to join the existing trend. I hope this is clear. Now, example of bearish breakup structure, you see that the market was in downtrend, making lower lows and creating lower highs, breaking out the previous lower low, and new breakup structure is formed. So that's how to identify your breakup structure. There's another example which is bullish example. The same thing happens. Market was not trend, creating high highs and high low, breaking up high highs. And look closely here, you notice that whenever market breaks the previous high, breakout structure is formed. That's simple as that. Life set example. Let's see if we can identify any breakout structure here. This is very good downtrend. No doubt about it. Market breaks up from this structure and created another lower low. This lower low, we wait for pullback, which is called lower high. The lower high now descend down to break the previous lower low, which causes a breakout structure. New lower low is formed. Wait for market to retrace back. That is called lower high, and the break of a structure. That's how it is, and so on. So whenever this happens, it's breakout structure. Look at the break example on the live chat. It's very amazing. This is uptrend. See that the market break off of the structure, created a high highs, and this is our high low. Something technical happened here. This is not a valid pullback. That's why we transfer our high high to this next high. And this remains our valid higher low. I see that market retrace back, takes up liquidity and break off a structure. So that's simple and you can master this strategy. So next is change of character. Change of character, this happens in bullish and bearish, and we have simple definition for it. In bullish condition, change of character happens when market breaks the previous higher low, and in bearish condition, it happens when market breaks the previous lower high. Note to remember, whenever this happens, this is the first indication that direction of existing trend is about to change. So this is the bearish example we prepare for you on change of character. See the market breaking out structures, showing you that it's in down. So all of a sudden, you lose momentum and they break the last lower high. If you find a very good order block here, it's a very good, nice buying opportunity on the other side of the trend. This is the bullish example. Same scenario, market is an uptrend, creating highs high, breaking the high highs, forming breakout structures, another breakout structure. All of a sudden, it loses momentum, breaks the higher low. And if you find a very good order block at that zone, I think it's a very nice opportunity to go short. So the live set example of As you can see, the market was in downtrend. This is total downtrend. This happens when market is breaking lows and they creating another lower high, break up the recent lower low. All of a sudden, market couldn't mix another lower low. It takes up the recent lower high. That's change of character. So whenever this happens, the buying opportunity may come if you spot any good order block at that zone. You see, we find a very good order block. As time goes on, you will know how to identify a valid order block in this trading system. We move to the third one, which is liquidity. It sounds good, but very difficult. That's where you trapped in by big boys. Liquidity means big money, the large counter order which must for the market to attend to just to fulfill the main purpose of the institution. Liquidity can form in any form. It can be sell side, liquidity can be buy side, liquidity you can call it equal highs, low, anything you want. You can call. But the important to know to remember is this: you need to know that liquidity acts like catalyst in the market. Is that clear? So I think we have example of liquidity. We have trendline liquidity. This trendline liquidity is when market creates a channel. Retail traders they buy low and sell high. So whenever this happens, it's type of liquidity. Then this is another equal side liquidity, which you call sell side and buy side liquidity. So buy high and sell low. All of a sudden, everybody stepped out. The live chart example, let's see if we can spot any liquidity. This is a trend line liquidity. You see how the price was moving. The last retracement there, it shows buying opportunity, but breaks below, taking up all the stop loss. So this equal high and low liquidity, which we normally call sell liquidity. You see, they are buying low and selling high. All of a sudden, everything was stepped out. That takes us to imbalance. Imbalance, this is inefficiency between buyers and sellers. When the market moves only with the buyers or sellers, it shows disequilibrium between buyers and sellers at that point in time. I hope this is clear. So example of imbalance, look closely here. This is a very good bearish momentum candle, and you have another big bullish momentum candle. So looking closely, you will notice something here. But that's when we move to the live chart to see how those imbalance act in the market. Let's take for instance, this is a bearish trend or bullish trend. Whenever market comes back and retests those area, it's pushed away. We move to inefficiency. Inefficiency, this means lack of buyers and sellers in the market. If you find gap with a light candle, that is inefficiency of the price. So look closely here. This is bullish inefficiency. It's only the buyers was in control at this point. Most often price comes back to this zone and retest is to fill those gaps there. How this is clear, then we have efficiency. Efficiency looks like inefficiency, but no gap. So bear this in mind. Let's see if we can spot any inefficiency on this live chart. Did you notice some gaps there? Those gaps are just unfair price. Oftentimes, price retails on. Remember the efficiency candle formation that looks like inefficient. So take note. Last but not the least is other block. That's where we close for the day. But we have to detail this sixth principle called other block. Other blocks are effective areas of supply and demands in the market. You can spot this when there is imbalance between buyers. This always happens on the small area but cause big moves in the market. Generally, they form when central banks, big institutions accumulate orders. I hope this is clear. We have to trade this perfectly because that is the main key of this strategy. Live chat example. have very good one, but we're not going in details. I have a video for that if you want to learn about other block. So characteristics to choose this other block and what to know about it. It forms before the big move in the market. You see the big that with the indication there. It formed. Then second one at the speed of light, market pushes away from it. You see how rapidly the market pushes. Then we find imbalance, breakout structures, change of characters, they form during this period in the market. That's why we choose here as our other block and you see how the price rallies up. As we wrap it. So thanks bro for watching. Do yourself a favor and do us a favor, subscribe because it takes us so much time and days to prepare such good content for you. If you like this video, kindly share with your friends, tell them about this channel so that we grow together. The more we grow, the more we find good things that will benefit the community. I don't have time for signals now, but if the community is enough for me to handle to help people out there, I will start giving signals as soon as possible. But let's grow this channel for us, for we to have audience we talk with. Thank you and God bless you. See you soon. Bye for now.